work to preserve the ability to pass down the land to the next generation, the best definition of sustainability. Welcome to the Middlebrooks Ranch. This ranch features 146 acres of native rolling grasslands that are excellent for cattle grazing or your recreational pursuits. The land sits at approximately 1,000 feet and goes up to 1,100 feet of elevation. Undulating topography spans the entire property with varied terrain from rolling hills covered in oaks and mesquite trees to flat pasture lands. This property is located 8 miles north from downtown Jacksboro and approximately 70 miles from downtown Fort Worth. Having the conveniences of the local amenities of Jacksboro and Fort Worth make this location favorable. One of the most important aspects of a piece of land is water. Middlebrooks Ranch is well watered with multiple ponds and seasonal creeks. Historically known for cattle and its hunting attributes, the Middlebrooks Ranch is ready for the adventure. 150 acres attached to the northern border of the property is offered for lease with an option of first rights to purchase. As time goes on, it seems like large holdings like the Middlebrooks Ranch are becoming hard to find. The property is a blank canvas ready for new stewards to create their own vision. A vision that will be passed down and improved upon by future generations to come.